To upgrade NotebookLM for higher limits, start by opening NotebookLM and signing in with your Google account. Unlike some Google tools, NotebookLM actually has its own dedicated plan tiers that directly control your usage limits, generation capacity, and access level. Once inside NotebookLM, go to your account or upgrade section where plans are displayed. You will see different tiers depending on your usage needs. NotebookLM Standard, Plus, Pro, and Ultra. The Standard plan is designed for personal projects. Includes standard generations of audio and video overviews and other artifacts, access to Google's Gemini models at standard access levels, and allows up to 50 generations per notebook. If you need more capacity, you can upgrade to NotebookLM Plus. This plan is designed for active learning and deeper study. It offers about 2 times more generations compared to the standard plan, early access to features, access to Gemini models, and up to 100 generations per notebook. For more intensive workflows, NotebookLM Pro is available. This plan is built for daily research and professional use. It provides about 5 times more generations than standard, higher access to Gemini models, priority access to features, and up to 300 generations per notebook. At the highest level is NotebookLM Ultra, designed for complex projects and power users. This plan offers up to 50 times more generations compared to standard, the highest level of access to Gemini models, priority access, no watermarks on generations, and supports up to 600 generations per notebook. To upgrade, simply select the plan that matches your workload. If you're doing light personal study, standard may be enough. For academic research, Plus or Pro is more suitable. For heavy production or advanced workflows, Ultra gives the highest limits. After selecting your plan, complete the upgrade process through your Google account billing system. Once activated, return to NotebookLM and refresh the page. Your new generation limits and features will apply automatically. And that's how you upgrade NotebookLM by choosing between Standard, Plus, Pro, or Ultra depending on your workload, and activating the plan through your Google account to unlock higher limits and advanced capabilities.